Welcome to Quick Tips. Today, you're getting a look at QuickJack's safety locks, including an issue that can occur if the arms are bolted on too tight. Check it out. Take a look at this QuickJack setup. Looks pretty normal, right? I'll save you the suspense. We sabotaged our own setup by over-tightening the lock arm bolt. When QuickJack ships, this arm is kept loose. Occasionally, somebody will see the loose arm and assume that this is a problem, so they tighten it. I want to show you what happens when you try to lift your car with the lock arm bolt too tight. Already you can see that the lock arm is not following along the lock channel. That's no good. So let's pause here. First off, see this shiny metal half-moon shaped cam? Some people mistakenly think that this is the lock. It's not. This device is simply there to help QuickJack disengage over the lock nub. The end of the arm, you can see right here, is what locks QuickJack in place against the nub. So it's pretty obvious that you can't safely lock the frame when the arm is sticking out awkwardly like a broken chicken arm. Buck, 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 buck. Before you start lifting, make sure the arm is nice and loose. In other news, we at QuickJack have lots of new content coming your way. To make room for all of it and not overwhelm you with constant videos, we're probably going to be doing quick tips a little less frequently. But I'll still be around, so you can look forward to that. Be sure to subscribe and drop us a comment, because if there's something you want to see, we need to know. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to see what's in store. See you soon.